Hey guys, Coach Patrick. I want to tell you a little bit about my story of how I became the coach that I am today. So for me, I've been an athlete my whole life. I started playing sports at the age of 4, started with soccer, went right into baseball, started playing football. I got into the weight room because of freshman football, wanted to get ready physically, and that's what got me started in this industry. From there, I started creating workouts with my friends. I became the go-to guy to kind of build their program, spice up their routine, help them get results, and that's really what gave me my passion for coaching. Along that, I've always kind of looked up to the work my dad did and like the way my parents really wanted me to succeed, so I held myself to a really high standard, and I always wanted to overachieve. So as I went through, I got my certification through vocational school. I took that to college. I got my degree in exercise science. I was able to go into internships. I went to different opportunities with colleges, private sector, physical therapy. I went to wellness centers. I really tried to branch out into as many different directions as possible to be as well-rounded as I can. And through that journey, I took what I liked. I got rid of what I didn't. I put my own little flair on everything, and that's what gave me the style that I have today. What got us into the Mach 1 core values of empathy, education, and excellence, that is something we share all together, and that's something that I personally know that I reinforce with every training session, whether it's with our competitive athletes on the platform, going to their national meets, or if it's your first time in the gym and you're nervous and you don't know where to start, we make sure that those core values are instilled in every session.